We have a commitment to care for good. And this aspiration also translates to our commitment to care for our own employees. What we as leaders can do right away is to start listening to our staff and acknowledging their efforts and achievements, big or small. I'm proud that we made the decision to invest in developing and enhancing our in-house clinical training programs, allowing for a more structured and effective approach, promoting clinical confidence and achieving consistent, high-quality outcomes. This also required us to take working bodies out of the roster, to commit to extended training, which was also a tough trade-off. Our employees have been empowered to create topical e-learning modules that can help everyone improve their clinical knowledge in bite-sized portions at their convenience. Medical companies can also help accelerate our learning and development through platforms such as the Siemens PEP Connect, a personalized online education experience that aims to increase competency, efficiency, and productivity. People are our greatest asset, and when they feel supported, valued, and engaged, they're better equipped to provide the kind of care that you and I would want to receive as a patient.